Greetings out there to social media land. How are you today? This is Ia Oyawumi. I wanted to give you a brief but informal video on greetings greetings and how we do in Nigeria in the Yoruba tradition. Isimbile, Isheshe Agba or Lagba. The greeting for if you come across a Ianifa or a Babalawo will be a Boru, a Boye. A lot of times in the diaspora you will hear a Boshishe. It's the same as a Boru, a Boye. And the response will be from the priest will be Ogboato, a Sudi, a Woriofun. And that is in response to whatever you're doing inside, may God bless it. May everything go right. May the Risha bless it. Everything that you're doing, you're reading, divinity. We don't know what you're doing inside, but the Babalawo or the Ianifa, may everything what you're doing be blessed. And the next one would be for Oshun. Oshun is Oriye. That's for Oshun. That's how we greet. So when you see Oshun priest, Oriye. That's how we do for her. For Oya, it is Epa Oya. So when we see priest of Oya, Epa Oya. Some people say Hekwa, but in the Yoruba tradition in Nigeria is Epa Oya. For Shango priest, when you see the priest, male or female, it is Kabiesi Shango. Kabiesi Shango. And for Ogun, this one right here, I would like to start saying this to my Ogun priests. I don't know too many of them. This is a small clan of you all. It is Oso Ogun Aro. Oso Ogun Aro. That is for Ogun priests. I like that. I love that. Obatala. Osa Epa. Osa Epa. I like that one too. Yeah. So Obatala. That's a good one. For Yemoja and Olokun, it's the same. Omio. Omio. It's the same. And for Eshu, it is Oro Eshu. Oro Eshu. Oro Eshu. And for Egungun priest, it is Ara Arun King King. Ara Arun King King. So I hope you got a little bit of little wisdom today with the greetings from the priest. And also I wanted to also do the day greetings. So when in the morning, when you're greeting someone after you've greeted any of the devotees or the priests, if you see them in the morning, say Ekaro. That means good morning. If you see them in the afternoon, early afternoon, it's Ekasan. If you see them in the late afternoon before 7 or before it get dark, because here in America, the time is changing. It gets dark around 5 o'clock. So let's say up until 5 o'clock, it will be Ekurole. So that's like late afternoon. So in Nigeria, in Oshobo, it gets dark about 7. Here, about 5 right now. But whenever it starts to get dark at that time, we say Ekale. Ekale. And that is good evening. When we're saying goodbye to someone, we're saying Odabo. I hear a lot of Oda. Oda is a whole separate word. The word Oda means okay. So if you're going to say goodbye, I know that from me hearing the Yoruba language a lot, when people say Oda to me, and they're thinking they're saying goodbye, they're saying okay. Oda. So I say Odabo, they say Oda. That's not the correct term. So Odabo. And what other term I want to, and also with Alafia. Alafia, I wanted to be clear, is not a Yoruba word. It is Hausa. It's a lot of mixed because of the tribes. You have Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, Fulani, and then you have several hundreds of sub-tribes up under those main groups, tribal groupings. So, languages get mixed up. You have this slang over here. You have broken English over here. You have a lot of going on. But Alafia is a house of work. So usually, and we ask how someone is doing, and saying say alafia, because alafia means good body or good health. Okay, that's what the translation of alafia is. And for if you want to say hello, how are you, is bawoni, bawoni, how are you? Or she arale, how is the body? How is your body doing? You know, you feeling good? Dadaloji, dadaloji. Did you sleep well? So I think learning a language is very important. The root. I'm not a linguist by far. I'm not. I'm still learning in this whole process, and it's fun. You know, learning a language at 40 plus years old is very fun, and learning the tonals and listening and reading. So I just wanted to share a little bit of what I know with you all. So you have a good rest of the day. You take care. Ireo Odavo.